because as government we believe that Kenya has a big talent, especially in football. And over the last 1 year, we have been carrying out reforms. We began reforms in the federation, and we are happy that in the federation we have very good leadership. And now I'm glad to welcome the technical bench led by Ben McCarthy. Ben is a highly experienced striker who has played in the world, actually at home here in Africa, in the Premier League, and also in many other clubs in Europe. He is highly qualified actually to lead the technical bench of Harambee Stars.
Just thank this government for all the support they've given us since we took office last year in December. We've had very good collaboration over the last couple of months. This is a culmination. The signing of Benny McCarthy and his team is a culmination of the rigorous process we underwent, the discussions we had with the ministry on how we need to revamp our national team. And I'm very happy that we've reached here today. And we are looking forward to greater, bigger things in the coming days and coming months.
We've got full support from the Federation and the government, and we just will do our very best and to make Kenya proud.